Frankly, I would like to do things the old-fashioned way, on a handshake. So today, you can shake my hand and seal the deal for a price that anyone can afford. While this video is still up, you can get the Lost Ways plus the 3 bonuses for a one-time special offer of just $37. And the only way to get it is to click the Add to Cart button below now. The way I see it, you have 3 options here. You can hope that things will get better and that a crisis will never strike America. I'm hoping the same thing, But my grandfather taught me better. He taught me, as I've told you, to never take anything for granted. Doesn't it seem better to have these skills, never need to use them, than to not have them? One day really need one of them? You can also start spending money and valuable time searching for guys who still know a lost thing or two by going through months of research and lots of traveling. And although it might sound nice at the beginning, these expeditions will take a huge toll on your bank accounts. I spent 5 years gathering and rounding up this lost knowledge. I must say, there were lots of times when I just wanted to give up. Or you can save the lost ways without going through all of this. I've already done the hard part. This lost knowledge has already been packed and is readily available to serve you and your children from now on till the end of time. There's nothing like this anywhere else. So if you want to literally save the lost ways, you know that your family is secured. They have warmth, food, water, and all the other things that they need, even in the worst possible times. This is the only place where you can get it. And you're the only one that can really do something about it. When there's no more electricity, and your neighbors are forced to cook all the meat that they have in their fridges, you'll know the secrets to store it, so your family won't starve next week. Heck, in fact, even now, yes, right now, if you get the Lost Ways, go to page 25. Start making just one of the super nutritious foods that can last a few years without refrigeration. And I'm not talking about honey or vinegar. I'm talking about real food. And when others start begging for a glass of fresh water, you'll be the only one in your neighborhood able to spare one, or even a glass of beer or ginger beer, just like our forefathers made when the drinking water was contaminated. Go to page 73 and start building your own old-style backyard smokehouse to preserve your own meat, sausages, and fish using your own spices. When the dollar becomes useless and all hell breaks loose, you won't care, because you won't need any money at all. All you need to survive is the lost ways, nothing more. If our ancestors survived the hardest times using only this knowledge, then so will you. Everyone will turn to you for guidance. Everyone will try to barter with you. Everyone will want to use your tools and your knowledge. This is the amazing power our great-grandparents had. It's all captured, jam-packed, and readily available for you in the Lost Ways. You won't find this anywhere else. There's no way to tell how much longer this presentation is going to be up, so click the Add to Cart button below to secure your copy now. In keeping with the spirit of those simpler days, today you can take advantage of my handshake guarantee, because I always put my money where my mouth is. I'm willing to take all the risk on this one, so click on the button below, go through the Lost Ways, and when you're done, you have to be 100% thrilled and happy with this deal. If for any reason at all you want to get your money back, you will get it within 24 hours from the moment you send me the request. You don't even have to answer any questions. Simply send us a quick email located in the members area in the next 60 days. Ask for a refund. That's right, you have 2 months to test drive the Lost Ways and the bonuses. That's my handshake guarantee. So is it a deal? I hope so. Don't let this knowledge disappear into the darkness of time, because in the next crisis, when death will stare you in the eye, this is the only time-tested life vest that you and your family can hang on to. You'll stay calm and protected, and others will scavenge through the garbage for food. My guess is that you haven't experienced a long-time hunger. But you're probably familiar with the feeling